years. No, 9 years.
What to say 10?
9 years.
But they say it not finish.
Yeah, I have one next piece underneath the I'm gonna be putting a little red label wine. So we want them and them always not chipping for do nothing to make it easier. This are I
Pretty girl, pretty baby.
She's so shy. Hey YouTube family, happy Saturday, happy weekend, happy or blessed emancipation to my fellow Jamaicans at home and abroad. Daddy not say happy emancipation.
Hello, happy emancipation families.
So me and dad there in the kitchen. When I'm gonna cooking us, we want to make some fruit juice. We get a pineapple, we get some guava. Alan put on guava country for me. So we're here and that I'm gonna do the cutting up. So I say might as well just check in and I'm gonna let dad cut up and then we are gonna blend. When I did the OTET apple, somebody said, what's the point of not showing us how to do it? But I figure more so people that understand say you just cut up and blend, but I guess people like to see stuff. So hope you're having a blessed weekend. I'm sorry for that, my hand over the camera. Hope you're having a blessed weekend, you and the fam bam. Hope you're taking things easy. We got a little rain. I'm no so see me St. Mary. Those of us who are following me on the Jamaican Deb string, thank you so much. Some of you message me and all of that, and I've seen your comments and all of that. Thank you so much. Yeah, I got country yesterday. Yeah, and it rained out, but it was good. It was okay. It was nice. That rain, that weather, you know, and the coolness and everything. It was really good. All me did left to do, I get some of that rainwater. They get a bath around her back. I told you, it was really good. More to come and all of that. So me and dad are gonna make some fruit juice. We're gonna be making it with love. Camera girl is. She has her final 3 exams on Monday. 3 of them, you know. 3 rough one, you know. Chemistry. 1 expert her French paper. And I think bio. So she have it rough. And then Tuesday now, I fear a little. Not a full-fledged graduation. Not a full-fledged one. Just a little because no parents. I think 1 little parent. Nothing big way, you know, if you dress up and go take picture and all of that. Nothing like that. Just a little makeshift something. So Tuesday I gonna be fair look or something, and after that she just gonna breeze her brain. You know, I'm glad fair, you know. So I wanna wish her all the best. 3 really. She said, Mommy, my head down go good again. So, you know, I'm here encouraging her and all of that. I don't know. She just depends. I just to all the subjects them that she doing. So Monday and Tuesday I gonna be 2 rough looking days fair. But I'm here with the support and all of that, and all who love me and my family, me know support her too. So that's what is happening. Rather quiet Saturday and all of that. I'm indoors. I'm not go outside from morning. I've done a video for you on the cooking channel. You might want to go check that out later on. So let me stop chatting now and show you what we're going to be doing. So family, this is what is happening right here. I've got a pineapple. I may have some guava here. So Alan look them for me, wash them and cut them and put them in a freezer for me. I may have a whole bag of guava. Me love guava. If you love guava juice, comment. But none of these not having the red part. You know, some of them red inside. Guava has a nice flavor and it is strong, you know. So, that is going to be peeling the pine and all of that. So, I'm just showing you we're making some fruit juice. We are making it with love. One peel the pine. We have ginger here and we are going to look to fluxy lime on the outside. So, that is going to be peeling the pine. And I like that. So we are going to carry that head that our country, you know. Plant, yeah. We are carrying that country to plant, you know. We're taking that, YouTube fam. You'll see us planting that next time we go St. Mary on the Debbie Street. We're going to put it outside, make it get stale. This is a different species of pine from the one they have in St. Mary. You'll see the one that I get in St. Mary. Alan, give me one in our thing, say, Auntie, make you ride. That will it up, let me see it looks sweet though, I'm not telling a lie. Parry comment, it looks sweet. You know, if you take out them look natural, you know, because you juice, we're going to juice it. But I'll just be juicing a half of it, Parry, and some guava that is going to be strong. So the rest now, I'm going to cut it up, and I probably camera girl might want some to eat. So when I'm finished, peel that, and cut up, I'm going to come back, and we're going to make this juice together. We're going to make it with love. And boy, I know I'm not going to have to drink it with me. But me I go drink for no with love. I don't know, my gut long. And I like that. Oh, it looks so nice. It looks sweet though. Comment you all. And we're gonna use the skins. Dad has washed the pine already, ain't Dad?
Yeah.
We wash the pine them before we peel them. So I'm gonna put that in a Ziploc, and I've got another one where Alan said if I make it extra ripe some more. So I'll put all of those together and we can make pine drink. Alright, Dad, I cut the pine, man. Yeah, and Dad cut it. I have to look serious in us. Wow. Give me a look a piece of it now.
Pretty.
Yes, it's nice. With love. Give me a look a piece of it, Dad, with love. Now I'm gonna give me them part of the fridge up my mouth. Oh, this is done. It's gonna be done with a lot of love. Give me a look a piece of it now. I don't want it big. I am here.
See?
Papa Jesus. With love. It's really sweet though. Shut the price, huh? Not them boy. Also, we have decided to put some mangoes in there. So this is guava. But guess what? No. Alan him cut up the guava, them too big, but they are frozen. He said, I wonder what big party. Family, see this one here, it's so huge. He doesn't understand them for cut them. I'm telling himself to pick them, wash them, and cut them. I must say, you know, guava was up there. So he gave me these a good while now, you know. And I have a lot more. Because guava are ripe. So I have that and that right there. So put the pine in there, of course. That I cut up the ginger, and we decide to put some Julie mango in it. So this is mine here. I put it in the freezer. Wash it already. So I guess when the other one peel, we can just put everything together and just make a nice, you know, something a pine drink now. Drink it will be. So ginger cut up. That look like it alright. Let me see it. Can you use your hand and level it out? Let me see it. Put on a piece more now. A pine, you know, pine and ginger and guava. Yeah, cause guava them strong, you know, so a good amount that we are going to get. So that is cutting. And I don't even know if that ginger look like some part died ripe. Like it, let me see it. Let me see it. What do you think about it? Like it could have ripe look more, don't?
Yeah.
Cut that. It don't smell like you're rude. So when you see me next, I'll be operating the blender. So Dad is gonna finish cut off those mangoes, and I'm gonna be peel them off and cut them up. And of course, I'm gonna eat one like a piece. And I'll be behind the blender when you see me next. Or operating the blender. We're making a little fruit juice with all Jamaican fruits with love. Our pineapple, our Julie mango, and our guava. Making some fruit juice, all Jamaican fruit juice with love. Barry family, YouTube family. I have too much name for you guys, you know. So I think I'm gonna just be blending here right now. Yeah. And then your strainer. So family, we see them come around when I get. So may I leave this for thing there. But I know some people are saying Vitamix and stuff. So I don't know. I've never had a Vitamix, but honestly, I think this should have been more, you know what I'm saying? But comment and tell me out of this and Vitamix, because I know a lot of people try lots and lots of blender. Them try different blender. So you can comment and tell me. So this is where it's at. I mean, I want it to, you know, so I put it through this, and then after now, I put it through the smaller strainer. But this is the color we're gonna get, because we never have no other color in there, and this is so nice. Yep, thick. This is the guava. Yeah, we have the guava, we have the mango. Yep, and so on. So we have put it through the fine strainer. When I think I put it through no cheesecloth, because some of them look a fiber, yeah, them good for we sometimes. Sometimes when you don't want the fiber, but like I know me this and they need some fiber now, so I'm gonna do the next batch and then come back and put it through, finish putting it through this, and then make a put it through the fine strainer, and you will see. And then I'm gonna try to see if it will really want any farmer sweetener. But comment and tell me if you love this combination. I know it's gonna be good. The guava, the pine, and the mango. I never put enough mango and add that. The guava probably they put a little bit too much, can I get carried away. I know the guava is strong, but look here. I could say it gonna because it's all made with love and all of that. I'm gonna dish out some. But comment and tell me out of the Vitamix, you people who have tried this and tried Vitamix, and tell me which one you think you get better result from. Tell me which one. For this personally, me know with the coconut blending I get better result with this than the coconut. But with the juice I think it's okay. But comment and tell me. Some people say a Vitamix I should have buy. I've never had one. But at the end of the day, I still have something for blend. So I'm gonna go now, do that little something there. So okay, YouTube family, this is what I got. But I'm saying these fruits are a lot juicy. I mean, somebody gonna say, Debbie, why you never put it in the juicer? Yeah, we just do it now like that, you know. And so because they were frozen, we had the frozen part. So I don't want to put a frozen something in it, you know. So I just used 2 of this. I like about 1 3/4 in water, and this is so much juice. The fruits are juicy. It's really juicy, family. So persons were saying, and then I didn't show that part too. I used about 3 limes. Them never come to perfection, then jolt out. But you know, for squeeze, so I just peel them. I showed you that. I did that already. You know, you can peel the lime, pick off the little white part of it, and you just try to pick out the seeds and you just blend it so you will get little lime taste in it. So I definitely did that. I did not remember to show you that part. So persons were saying, Debbie, when we do the eat apple juice, I must say persons were like saying, Debbie, oh, you never show, you know. And who want to say I'm talking too much over the juice, try to remember that it's just my juice. Okay, thank you. So persons were saying, Debbie, I never like the idea, I never show it all the juice, or you did blend the juice. So I'm showing you this. But look at the thickness. Look at it, fam. Look at the thickness and the richness. And the guavas were frozen, so it's cold. So see the rest of fiber here. But even though it's like this, I'm gonna tell you something. I wanna tell you something. It has more fiber in there. The pineapple and the guava and carry a lot of fiber. So I'm gonna finish do this and show you. Look at this. It look like cornmeal porridge. Could you comment? And I'm not gonna be putting any more water to it. This is so rich. This is so nice. So we use guava, we use mango, and we used pineapple. So I'm gonna finish this and come right back to you, and I'm gonna tell you, taste it and tell you. I'm gonna put, maybe, I'm not sure if I want sweetener. Remember, I'm putting my ginger to taste already, and I told you I put some lime. I blended the lime in. All of that. Tell me who, when the lime them jolt out, whoever do it like that, peel off the green, the rind, peel off that white part under the rind here that is super duper bitter, and then try to pry out the little seeds, kind of segment it out, pry out the little seeds and blend it. Tell me if you ever try that. And it tastes just as good. You get the lime flavor just as good. And if you never know that, this is just a tip for you. Catch you. So family, this is my 3rd time running it through the fine strainer. Wow, look at the thickness, look at the richness of this juice. When you drink this, you know, family, as same way it go inside your body, go just strengthen and pop your body. Because in case you never know, this guava is very powerful, you know. The leaves of the guava, when you drink them, they power you up. Did you know that? And that is why they're making guava tea bags. Did you know that they have guava tea bags in the supermarket? You can try it if, you know, if you have to read and find out what it is, and you can try it. But the guava leaves, they make super nice tea, and it strengthens you, and so does the juice. So I run it through it for the 3rd time, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna taste now. Like that. This is good, not too fibery at all. Not at all. I think it will be more. This is the strainer, not bad, you know. Not bad at all. So I'm going to do it 3 times through this. One time through the big strainer. Yeah, and as Mr. Persons are going to ask, what about the juicer? Look here. And in the days, I'm doing this video in the daytime. I don't have the water coming through the pipe in the days. So I have it at night. So you know, when you use that, it's a lot of washing up, you know. So but I forgot wait until night. I can easily wash these and then just boil some water and pour through and all like that. So I think this is fine. This is okay. And I tell you, it tastes so good. I don't think I'll be adding any sugar because that pine was super sweet. The mangoes are sweet, and you know the guava have its own sweetness. So look, with 1 3/4 of this and the juice from it, I'm not add no sugar. Knowing that, I know I'm gonna want some sugar. And so I'm gonna pour some now in my juice jug. This is my juice jug all clean. And all like that. I'm gonna pour some and then I'm gonna serve some in a glass. Me soon come. Okay, now YouTube family, this is my final presentation and all of that. So I took out one of my straws, silicone straws. I didn't know they had silicone straws. So, and it came, the package came. Girlfriend, you know yourself. Thank you. First me I use it. You know yourself. Thanks. So I took out one of my silicone straws and I washed it just for you, YouTube family. So please enjoy. I didn't put any sugar. I definitely, for me, it no need no sugar. I know camera girl no need no sugar. That got bad when it comes to sugar. So I'm going to add a little sugar, maybe a little caffeine, little whites and all of that. You know man thing. So please do enjoy. You saw me. I made it. But I said made with love because that cut up and me blend. That's how it go. When two people come together and do things, it's made with love. Comment and tell me. And all of that. Please do enjoy. And your post notification shout outs, they will appear on the screen as they are in order in the comment section and all of that. Thanks for the love. Thanks for staying with me. Hope if you get some of this, you try it and let me know. Send me a picture on Instagram. Send me a picture on Instagram. Please do enjoy. Tell me if you like my silicone straw and all of that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me. And again, blessed emancipation to all the Jamaicans at home and abroad. And until we see you again on this camera, it's gonna be ciao. As I wait up myself.